Hey guys, welcome to Cook Step by Step. Today we're making a freak shake. I will not be using Nutella. I will using something like Nutella, but this does not have palm oil. I think I got it at Home Goods. So we got that and a glass jar, and I'm gonna use the back of my spoon to put the Nutella around the jar. This way there will not be any leftovers in the middle of the spoon where it's deeper and it's easier to apply. Freakshake is actually from Australia. So I got that all around, and I want to make sure that it sticks because it will help me pick up all the nuts. So we got to put that all around, and here I got some crushed up walnuts. You can use hazelnuts or any kind of nuts you have at home, even peanuts. And I'm just gonna help myself and stick them in there, and while I put it in, I'll push it down just a bit to make sure it sticks and doesn't fall off. And you're gonna get every bit covered. There, and it's messy, so your hands are gonna get messy, don't worry. Alright, now I have some chocolate syrup, and I'm gonna tilt my jar and just spread it all inside and let it drip. And now I'm gonna put this into the freezer because I want to make sure it sticks, so when I put the milk in it, it doesn't just mix up with it. I'm gonna put a cup of ice cream in there and a cup of milk and about 2 ounces of heavy cream. So this one's ready, and here is the aftermath. We got it out of the freezer, and the chocolate is cold and sticks there. I'm gonna put a tissue napkin underneath because this will get messy. First got the shake in there, and it's okay if there's some room left because we're gonna be stacking it up. And now I'm gonna add half an ounce of raspberry syrup and some marshmallows. This marshmallow will help me keep the whipped cream on top and it doesn't sink. And on the side, put a waffle cone, which I love, and it's filled with chocolate, and a chocolate spoon with some chocolate syrup on top and some of the leftover walnuts and some chocolate candies on top because we have to be extra with everything. It is called the freak shake after all. And the straw, and it's all matching and looks gorgeous and delicious. Delicious. Yum. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, please check out our other videos. I'll see you guys next time.